Now, we can see these type of texts in not only in our standardized tests like an IELTS or TOEFL, but we can also see these in magazines, because this is a general structure of this type of text. Were you able to notice that? I hope so, because what you want to do is predict what type of text and what the content of the text is going to be within a minute or so. And this will help lead and focus your understanding on what that text is going to be about. What was the purpose of the text? Was it trying to inform you or persuade you? What was the style and type of text? Well, we're going to look a little bit more deeply into what kind of particular information we can identify in a text, not only looking at that purpose, but what particular information we can quickly see and quickly find out in order to see whether this text is going to help us or not. So we found the purpose, but what the prediction task uses are what I like to call cues. Cues are like guides or indicators of the content and scope of the text or speech. Like I said in the last video, learning for understanding can be done in text or live speech. Online databases and services like YouTube give the viewer many cues or guides to the content by predicting what the user needs. They do this with language-based algorithms. So let's see how cues can quickly help you find the content that you need, just like the Google is using the cues to help you find the content you need. The next task is to watch the first 5 minutes of a video and answer the questions that follow. Within 2 to 3 minutes, you should notice the following language cues that YouTube has created mathematically to ensure that you get the most relevant content linguistically. These include the title, the description, the name publishing the video or the publisher, the date of publication, the length of the video, and the titles of similar videos on the sidebar. All of these are designed by creators to fit within the smart search function of the application. It is the same with written text on databases and with video search. If you know what you're looking for, then you can quickly find it through keyword search and looking at the cues or particulars surrounding the video. Take the next 2 to 3 minutes and look at the following video that we've uploaded for you. It's a very general type of video that you might find elsewhere. Let's see how fast you can capture these cues and answer the questions that follow, and then we'll see you after you complete the activity.